Okay guys, so this video is video 1 of the Wixsite setup. So I'm just going to be giving you the basics, everything along the lines of the details, the format, stuff like that is all on you and what you choose to do with it. Make sure that you're making sure that every website that is created is personalized. Please do not go and copy word for word or picture for picture. You should have pictures of yourself, not of me. I have had a few people who copied to the point of using my pictures. That will not help you get sales because people want to buy from you, not from someone they've never seen before. So please make sure you're not copying my pictures when it comes to things like that. You can use pictures I post, just not pictures of my face because that would make no sense. Okay, so let's get started. So when you go to Wix.com, which the link is below this video, you will see a page different than this. It will say, to log in or sign up. Make sure you sign up. If you have not already made a business email, please make sure you do. It will determine what your link says. So when your website link is complete and you publish your website, it will then have whatever email you use. So say, for example, my email is bysmarketing@AOL. So my website link for Wix is bysmarketing@wixsite.com. So please make sure it's professional and try and keep it short and sweet. All right, so once you're logged in and signed up and all of that good stuff, you will be brought to this page. And you're going to click on whatever one you want. You do not have to choose specifically business. You can use any format. This is just a template. You're changing everything. Okay, so I'm going to do business. If you are not very tech savvy or you just are really, really bad with computers, you just don't understand them, you have a really difficult time, or you just don't have much time on your hands, that's what the Auto Create is for. It will pretty much hold your hand. The only thing is when you choose this, there's some things that you can't change because it generates the website for you. If you want to start from scratch and do your own, which I highly suggest, you would choose this one, which is choose template. And there's lots of different templates you can choose from. There's no specific one that you have to use or any category. As you can see, there's tons of different templates and you can edit them all, multiple pages of them. You can choose the category of the type of template you're looking for, or you can even choose a blank template. So blank template is definitely what I suggest if you are really creative or you want to make it very personal. But you can create using a template that's already made. You would just delete the pre-existing content that's on it and replace it with your own. So these are the different things that you can set up. It's all different depending on what you want. So I'm actually just going to choose, let's see, I'll do the classic this time. So make sure you guys are making your website very professional and make sure that you are staying with something that is going to really show who you are as a person. You really want to make sure that not only is it professional, but it really shows the person buying, what kind of person you are, an insight into your personality, insight to your life. So that's very important. Okay, so as you can see, it has all this stuff. This is the gallery. I'm honestly just going to delete all this anyways. Okay, so when you're doing your website, make sure you have something catchy. You can change the background of the page. There's lots of different things you can choose from. Some of them even are animated, like these, where they move. There's really cool ones like that. There's business ones like that. You can choose here to upload your own image or video, or you can use just a color. I'm just going to choose one right now for there. Okay, so as you can see, by changing the page background, it changes the entire page, not just one picture. You can add, if you want just like a strip, you can add strip backgrounds. I'll show you that real quick. So make sure you're looking and playing around with all this to see what everything is. But I'm going to show you the basics right now. So strip, let's do black. And there you go. And you can make this bigger, you can make it smaller, whatever you want. So, okay, next thing I want to show you is how to do a button. So this is going to be like the buttons you see on my website where you click it and it takes you to a link. And in order to do that, you go add, you go down to button, and then there's all kinds of different ones. And you can even change the color and stuff once you have it picked out. So that's what these are. We're just going to pick one real quick. Let me see. Let's do this one. Okay, and you can change the text. So you're going to want to put, if it's going to be your checkout button, you'll put something like join now. If it's a button to get them connected with your Facebook, you'll put connect with me on Facebook. Stuff like that. So we're going to do join now. Okay, and then you can just exit out of it, and there's your button. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, you know, as much, whatever you want. This button changes the link, layout, things like the color, you can animate it. So here, click on the link. If you're doing your checkout page or your Facebook, you're going to click web address. So here's this, and you're going to want to copy and paste in. When you are doing your checkout button, make sure you're going back to the training and looking down here. Step 7 has everything you need in it. It includes on how to, here's the link that you'll need to add in. So you'll just copy and paste it and add it in to what you need. So that is the button. I'm going to show you real quick how to do a video. So let me show you that. You can also add things like images and stuff like that, and even galleries. But I just want to show you the important stuff. So video, again, this is just guidelines, and you're going to be responsible for doing all of the details and the layout of it, stuff like that. So once you have the video up, make sure you click on, it's very important you click on YouTube, not on one of these, otherwise it's not going to work for you. So you'll click change video, click on the link, delete it, and then go back to the training website. And here are these videos. You can choose whatever one you want. You don't have to, you don't have to specifically use all of them. You can, if you find one on the internet you want to save and use, you can do that. But you'll copy it and just paste it. And then when you click enter, there you go, and bam, the thing is there. You can add titles above it, stuff like that, move it around, whatever you want, make it smaller, bigger, stuff like that. So real quick, I'm just going to show you some examples of the videos and stuff on other people. So I'm going to show you Kayla's. Kayla has a fantastic website. Let me just show you that real quick. Okay, and you can see this kind of shows how she is as a person. It's very bright, very, bubbly, very pink. It has pretty writing, it's very bold, very straightforward. She has a very nice about me, which is great. This, draws in their attention, looks professional with her name. She has pictures of herself, very nice pictures, very appropriate pictures. She has a section about her team, which is a fantastic thing to put in there. She has one of the videos. Scroll down. She's got 2 more of the videos. She does not have all 4, but that's okay. She has a Join Now button. Click on the Join Now button, just like I had showed you. And you can see hers works. It takes her to the checkout. And here's her name and picture, which means that when they sign up using that button, it will take them and accredit her. Okay, so that is that. Let's see if there we go. Sorry, my mouse is acting up. Okay, so back to here. It's very important. It's just very important to personalize it. There's so much you can do. You just really got to play around with it. I mean, you can add, there's boxes you can add, shapes, you know, different things you can add to it.